Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I wasn't planning on upgrading my phones anytime soon because both of them work okay, but this one is a Google Pixel 3 XL from 2018, so it is getting a little old, but the main reason is this back part of the case is starting to peel, and when I press down, I could see the glue come up. A quick Google says this is the battery swelling and I should send this into Google as soon as possible. So let's do some research and get a new phone. Looks like all the big players are still the same: Apple, Galaxy, Pixel, according to PC Mag, Tom's Guide, and CNET. I don't know how to use any Apple products, so we can skip those. Since we're getting rid of a Pixel, the plan is to buy a Samsung to match this current phone that's a Samsung. We also got really lucky. It is the last day of pre-orders. Let's buy a phone. Okay, so it does look like launch days are pretty decent times to buy a new phone, but before that, I am using this Rakuten. It is a cashback website. This is my first time using Rakuten, so I had a friend send me a referral link, so each of us are getting $30. Next, we click Samsung, up to 10% cash back, so hopefully on an $800 phone, I am getting $80 cash back. Luckily, we are in the launch right now. I just happened to break my phone, and we are going with S25. There is a $50 Samsung credit to upgrade the storage space, but the best part is this trade-in. So if we go Samsung, select device S24, they're going for $460, but Samsung will give us $500 for this promotion. Unfortunately, my Google device is so old, I'm only getting $50, and my final order looked something like this. I also got an additional referral discount here for $38 for trying in this code that ends in MM. So before shopping, I always check Retail Me Not. And these are all the coupons and stacks that I can think of for buying a phone at full price. I'm doing this because I use US Mobile, so I'm not using a traditional carrier. But for now, video 254 done.